how to transfer MEXC token from Bybit wallet to Phantom wallet on PC. Now, in order to transfer it, we need to swap our token to Solana to be able to transfer it without any issue to our Phantom wallet. So how to do that? Now, first of all, we need to swap it to Solana. Now open your Bybit wallet from your browser and search for your token that's called MEXC. So after you find it, as you can see from here, I will search it. I will just keep searching until I find our token. So as you can see, this is it. Now, so what you need to do, just click here on swap and you will be able to redirect it to Bybit exchange to be able to swap your token to Solana. So how to do that? Now just click here and select the Solana as a network. Now in the search bar, search for the Sol. So after you find your token, just click on it. In this case, it will be Solana. Click on Sol. So after you convert your MEXC to Solana, now we can send our Solana to Phantom wallet without any issue. So how to do that? Open your Bybit wallet for that. Now select your Solana token and here click on send. So because I don't have any fund, I can't be able to show you how to do that. But they will ask you for withdrawal address that you can get it from your Phantom wallet of Solana in order to receive your token from Bybit wallet. So how to do that? Now open your Phantom wallet for that. As you can see, it's easy and simple. Just click on your Solana token and click on receive and copy the token address of your Solana token and go back to Bybit wallet and you can paste it there and click on transfer. And after about a few seconds to about a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your wallet. So this is how to transfer MEXC token from Bybit wallet to Phantom wallet on PC. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.